अरे सुनो, 26 में शौनक का बर्थडे, क्या करना है इस बार?
लड़की लाके देते उसको।
बक।
यार अमित, गलत आइडिया मत दे तू।
ये गलत आइडिया नहीं है। आप लोग साथ में थ्रीसम भी कर सकते हो और वीडियो भी बना सकते हो।
संजू ये क्या बोल रहा है, थ्रीसम और वीडियो?
हाँ, बुड्ढियो बुड्ढियो को तो बहुत पसंद करता है गुजराती, और उसकी फेवरेट है निरूपा रॉय।
तुम लोग फालतू का बात बंद करो। मैंने डिसाइड कर लिया, मैं अपने बर्थडे का पार्टी नहीं दे रहा।
ये क्या बात कर रहा है शौन, इतना बुढ़ा हो गया है और बर्थडे पार्टी मैंने भी तो दिया तुम लोग को।
तो क्या मैं भी दूं?
ऑफ कोर्स।
चल बे, मेरे वर्कर लोग साला पेमेंट लेके ट्रेन में बैठ गया, बोल रहे काम नहीं करेंगे, इतना सारा साइट खड़ा है मेरा और मैं तुम लोग के साथ पार्टी करूं?
केक नहीं काटना है शौनक, क्या मतलब है इसका?
पेट खराब है।
हैं?
3 दिन से पेट से कुछ नहीं निकला है मेरे।
ये पागल है तू। देख, 5 गोले लेने का और नीचे से अंदर डालने का, फिर सीधा पग से गिरेगा और जिंदगी में कभी तेरे को कॉन्स्टिपेशन नहीं होएगा।
क्या?
हाँ, ढिल्ला का ढिल्ला निकलेगा।
ये तुम लोग के पास कोई और आइडिया नहीं है क्या?
हाँ है ना, एक लंबा सा ऐसा छतरी ले और अंदर डाल के खोल डाल, बहुत फर्क पड़ेगा कसम से।
बाप रे, क्या डेंजर आइडिया दे रहा है संजू।
हाँ, दीपा मैं करता हूँ, एक सेकंड रुक। अरे नीरज देख, तू ग्रुप में तो एक्टिव रहता नहीं, लेकिन अगर तेरे दिल में कुछ ऐसा बात आता है तो बोल देने का ना।
नीरज बोलेगा?
हाँ शॉन, एक ब्लैक लेबल खोलते हैं यार।
सब खोलेंगे तो मैं भी कपड़े खोलूंगा।
कपड़े नहीं, बाटली की बात कर रही
अरे
है।
पर लॉकडाउन में बाटली मिलेगा किधर?
वो हमने नारायण से एडवांस में लेके रखा है।
ब्लैक लेबल खुल गया तो सब कुछ खुल जाएगा मेरा।
हैप्पी बर्थडे टू यू, हैप्पी बर्थडे टू यू, हैप्पी बर्थडे डियर शौनक।
Many happy returns of the day, Shaunak. I'm sitting in my house which you restored, you, your company, and Mr. Kimlani. Mr. Kimlani was cross-examined here by Namrata, my daughter-in-law's father, Mr. Barua, who was an architect. And he really grilled you, and you, Mr. Kimlani, you took it all very well and beautifully. And you answered all his questions. It was really very nice of you indeed. So you done my house. You came to us through Kishore Bajaj. He said that when you got a house like this, you have to have the best contractor. And he praised you. He said you could do jobs which no one else could do. Do you remember making his basement watertight? You did that. So that is where you came from. And then we took you to Kanwal. There you waterproofed the hostel. Mr. Kemlani went on inspection one day and he thought that Kanwal was never ever going to come. And he said after he came back, send me anywhere, but I don't want to go back to Kanwal. It just never comes.
Hi Shanak. I have great pleasure to wish you a very happy birthday and wish you enjoy many more birthdays and wish you enjoy many more birthdays with your better half and your family. I also wish your dedication towards your work will make you fulfill all your dreams. Enjoy your birthday. Hi Shaunak. Wish you a very happy birthday. Enjoy many more to come. Let all your wishes be fulfilled in your life. Have a nice day.
Shaunak, very lovely to know that you're growing younger and you've been a family member to us and you've been there all this time whenever we needed you for anything, like a genie. And we wish you all the very best and many more to come with lots of good health and happiness always. Take care, above all, be safe and happy always. God bless.
Happy birthday, Shaunak. Hope you have a great year ahead. All the best.
Shaunak, this is wishing you a very happy birthday. Hope you have a great time. Drink lots of booze, get very drunk, and be happy and be safe and be healthy.
Hi Shaunak, wish you a very happy birthday. May God bless you with everything you desire for, and keep doing the good work what you are doing for the humanity. May God bless you with all the strength and prosperity and all the best.
અભિનંદન અભિનંદન જન્મદિવસના અભિનંદન. પ્રિય મિત્ર સૌનક, આજના આપણા 47મા જન્મદિને મારા ભાવભીના હૃદયથી અભિનંદન સહ જય સ્વામિનારાયણ. યાદ આવે છે 1985માં પ્રથમ થયેલ મુલાકાતને આજે જોતજોતામાં 35 વર્ષ પૂરા થયા, પરંતુ એ મિત્રની અંદર મૈત્રીની અંદર ક્યારેય ઓટ નથી આવી. એનું કારણ આપના પ્રેમને લાગણી. હા, કૌટુંબિક જવાબદારીઓને કારણે આપને મુલાકાત બહુ ઓછી થઈ શકી છે, પરંતુ લાગણીનો દોર તૂટવા નથી થયો. મારા મુંબઈના 20 વર્ષના નિવાસ દરમિયાન અનેક બાળ મિત્રો મને મળ્યા હતા, પરંતુ તેમાંના પ્રેમાળ અને લાગણીશીલ જે મિત્રો હતા એમાંના તમે એક માત્ર હતા અને છો. અકારણ લાગણીના કારણે જ આપ ઘણીવાર ફોનથી મળતા, પરંતુ એમાં 2007માં તો નડિયાદમાં અને 2012માં વડોદરા સ્પેશિયલ મળવા દોડી આવેલા. એ કેમ ભૂલાય? પૂજ્ય પ્રમુખ સ્વામી મહારાજ ને પરમ પૂજ્ય મોહન સ્વામી મહારાજના પણ આપે દર્શન અને આશીર્વાદ ઘણીવાર પ્રાપ્ત કર્યા છે. એ કારણે જ આપણા જીવનની અંદર ભગવાનમાં શ્રદ્ધા અને ભક્તિના સંસ્કારો સચવાયેલા છે. આજના આ શુભ દિને હું આપને તો શું અર્પણ કરી શકું, પરંતુ કેવળ ભગવાન સ્વામિનારાયણ અને પરમ પૂજ્ય પ્રમુખ સ્વામી મહારાજ, પ્રગટ ગુરુ મોહન સ્વામી મહારાજના ચરણોમાં હું ખાસ પ્રાર્થના કરું કે આપને નિરામય દીર્ઘાયુષ્ય અર્પે, સાથે સાથે તને મને ધને સર્વ પ્રકારે સુખ્યા થવાય અને અંતરે સુખ શાંતિ ને આનંદ રહે, તેમજ પરિવારમાં પણ સમ સ્વરભાવની એકતા જળવાયેલા રહે, એવી શુભ પ્રાર્થના સાથે આપના મિત્ર અક્ષર પ્રકાશ સ્વામીના ભાવભીના હૃદયથી જય સ્વામિનારાયણ.
When I think of Shaunak, the words of the Bible come to my mind, and they go as follows. A faithful friend is a sure shelter. He who has found one has found a rare treasure. I consider Shaunak as a very good friend. Although we started our encounter on the work field, in the course of time we discovered each other as good friends. I found Shaunak to be an intelligent, kind, understanding, loving and sensitive person. And there were moments in his life as he went through the ups and downs of life that he shared certain difficulties and joys with me. I realized that Shaunak has a deep love for his family, his wife Deepa and his son Ninad. He has a love for his extended family, and he even considers all those who work for and with him as part of his family. It is my prayer on his birthday that the good Lord continues to shine on him and bless him in more ways than one. Shaunak, on this your birthday, I believe the best is yet to come. God bless.
હેપી બર્થડે શૌનક. આ લખી નાખ્યું છે એટલા માટે કે કંઈ રહી ના જાય, એટલે હું વાંચું છું. મેં એને તિલુએ ભેગા મળીને આ લખ્યું છે તારે માટે. શબ્દો ખૂટી જાય, પાના ઓછા પડે, વાતો ઘટી જાય, પણ કહેવાનું રહી જાય, એવા સ્વભાવવાળો પ્રેમાળ લાગણીશીલ અમારો શૌનક 2 વર્ષમાં 50 વર્ષનો થશે. હજુ બાળપણ વિસરાતું નથી. ચડ્ડીમાં ફરતો શૌનક વડીલોનું ધ્યાન રાખતો થઈ ગયો. કુટુંબ પરિવારનું મહત્વ સમજીને સમજાવતો થઈ ગયો. પોતાને એકજૂટ કરનાર શૌનક તું આવો જ રહેજે. અભિનંદન, શુભેચ્છા, હેપી બર્થડે.
जन्मदिन मुबारक पाटलिपुत्र of Bhatt family, my dear Shaunya.
Happy birthday, Shaunak. Love you. God bless you.
Hello dear Shaunak. તું જ્યારે નાનો હતો અમારી જોડે રહેતો હતો 10th સ્ટાન્ડર્ડમાં ત્યારે મને એને હસીકાને તારી બહુ ચિંતા હતી. But as you grew up, you chose your own path in business. Now you are a successful, emotional, handsome, grown businessman. You are also a very loving and caring son, and you are a responsible father and husband. We are really proud of you. We are proud of you, and we are very lucky to have you in our life. My wishes and blessings are always with you. God bless you. Enjoy the day. Celebrate life. And my wishes are always with you. God bless you.
Hi, Sanak.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday to you. God bless
God bless you.
Happy birthday, Sonak.
Sonak.
Blessing from us, from you. Masan and Masi.
God bless you, બેટા. બસ છો એવો ને એવો રહે અને બસ સુખી થા, ખાઓ પીઓ અને આનંદ કરો.
આનંદ છે મારું આશીર્વાદ.
બસ તમારો તો પ્રેમ અમને બહુ મળે છે અને એવો ને એવો પ્રેમ મળે કાયમ માટે. અને આઈ લવ યુ.
હેલો સોના, હેપી બર્થડે ટુ યુ. હું તને દર બર્થડેના દિવસે યાદ કરું છું. After all, you are my love, no? Like Tataji used to say, right? Be happy. See, મેં તારીતા માટે શું બનાવ્યું છે જો, બટરફ્લાય, flying butterfly. Wow, great, no? I enjoy with Tarita too, and every day I remember your childhood. હેપી બર્થડે ટુ યુ. ખૂબ ખૂબ આશીર્વાદ. ભગવાન તને ખૂબ તંદુરસ્તી આપે, સુખ સમૃદ્ધિ આપે, એ જ પ્રભુ પાસે પ્રાર્થના. હેપી બર્થડે. હાય શૌનક, હેપી બર્થડે. After Vaishu, you were the next bundle of joy to come into our family way back in 1973. When we visited the hospital to see you, you looked so cute, charming, innocent and angelic. Today I am so happy to see that cuteness of yours has grown into a charm and aura that mesmerizes everyone and anyone who connect with you. Your innocence has grown into an adorable kingly attitude that keeps everyone bonded. Your younger siblings, cousins, and even elders look upon you with respect and reverence. I hope and I ask God to bless you to grow more and more in coming years. Love you.
Happy birthday, Shaunak Bhaiya. Love you.
Hi, Shaunak. You are a major binding force across our families, and I hope in the years to come you will fulfill this responsibility with your flying colors. I wish you a very happy birthday. God bless you. Again, happy birthday. Thank you.
Happy birthday, Shaunak. Long live, healthy life.
Happy birthday, Shaunak bhai.
Hi, Shaunak. How are you feeling in this quarantine day? Remember 26th May? A lovely, handsome little boy was born to a very humble Mr. and Mrs. Bhatt, an angel to many, very helpful persons to many. You have imbibed the qualities of your parents
and I wish you many happy returns of the day. Wish you happy virus-free birthday hug, and I would like to sing a song for you. बार बार दिन ये आए, बार बार दिल ये गाए, तू जिए हजारों साल, ये मेरी है आरज़ू. Happy birthday to you, happy birthday to you, happy birthday dear Shaunak. Wish you a great success in future years to come, and wish the family a great occasion in this quarantine day. And please maintain your physical distance today. Thank you.
Shawnee, I love you. Happy birthday. We have shared a great relationship always. You have been a great brother. I am blessed to have you in my life. તો હંમેશા એવું કહે છે કે હું તારી માં છું. But actually, you are the one who taught me to be a mother. And yes, there are times where I have seen a father like elder brother in me. Stay that way. Stay happy, stay healthy, stay blessed. Love you.
मुबारक हो जन्मदिन. हर दिन से प्यारा लगता है ये खास दिन जिसे हम बिताना नहीं चाहते आप भी. वैसे तो दिल देता है सदा ही दुआ आपको, फिर भी कहते हैं मुबारक हो जन्मदिन आपको. ऑन दिस ब्यूटीफुल बर्थडे ભગવાન કરે તું એન્જોયમેન્ટથી ભરપૂર ને સ્માઇલથી તારો આજનો દિવસ સેલિબ્રેટ કરે અને તને બહુ જ બધી સરપ્રાઈઝ મળે. ગોડ બ્લેસ યુ. હેપી બર્થડે. ચીયર્સ.
Hi Shaunak, many happy returns of the day. God bless you. I hope you have a wonderful birthday with your loved ones. Stay blessed, stay safe and healthy. Love you, take care. Bye. Have a wonderful birthday.
Happy birthday, Shaunak bhai. You have always been a big brother to me, an elder brother who has always guided me. We have had a lot of fun times. We have cried together. And today I hope you have a blast. તમે ખૂબ મજા કરો, ખૂબ આનંદ કરો. Lots of love. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Shaunak bhai. Have a great day. Hello, Shaunak bhai. Happy birthday to you. I'm missing you. I've set up this setting and I would love that you come here and we enjoy this swing together. Lots of good wishes to you and have a great day, great year ahead. Lots of love, blessings. Happy birthday to you.
Shaunak has again finished the workout. Finish your workout. Again.
Again a workout?
Oh my god, in this lockdown someone is working very hard.
Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Shaunak Kaka. Happy birthday to you.
The workout specialist, Shaunak Bhatt. Bye bye.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to dear Shaunak Bhaiya. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Jai Swaminarayan. Love you a lot. what can I say? You're so amazing. You're so amazing. And हम सब बच्चे इस घर के पतंग हैं. आप हमारी पतंग का मांझा हो. You know, you are that one strong thread that binds us all together. And you know, there's so much to learn. I'm continuing to learn from you. You are so expressive, so caring. You are so understanding. Your love is unconditional, you know, and you're that big brother that everybody craves for. And I'm so happy that you know, I have a big brother whom I can depend on for anything. So thank you for being you, and please, please, please keep showering your blessings and your love on us always. We need your love, we need your blessings. Thank you for, you know, being around every time. Love you, Shaunak Bhaiya. Happy birthday. Love you. To you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Shaunak Bhaiya. Jai Swaminarayan. You're the thread that binds our family together. And you know, thank you for your unconditional love, your large-heartedness, your generosity, and all the blessings that you shower on us always. So thank you for all that, and thank you for being you. On this day, I pray that you have a very happy, long and healthy life. Do take care of yourself, Bhaiya. We love you, and enjoy this day. Have lots of fun. Take care. Bye.
Wish you a very, very happy birthday, Shaunak Bhai. Thank you so much for being the unconditionally loving big brother that all of us need. Love you a lot. Hope you have a very healthy, happy and long, long life. Happy birthday again. Love you.
Hi Shaunak Bhaiya, wish you a very, very happy birthday. આજે તમારા આ ખાસ દિવસ પર I want to sing a song for you. જે હું શીખી હતી when I was in school back in 5th standard. It's a very simple song, but I think it beautifully conveys what I want to tell you today. So here it goes. God loves you and I love you, and that's the way it should be. Oh, you may be very sad and I may be very sad, but that's not the way it should be. Oh, God loves you and we love you, and that's the way it should be. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Shaunak Bhaiya. Ever since Hasika, you're the only person I look to for support, for guidance and advice. Keep being the wonderful person that you are, and have a great day. For I can't help falling in love with you.
Hello, Shawn Michael. Wishing you a happy birthday from social distance. Now raise your glass and let's have a blast.
Happy birthday, my Superman. Papa, actually I'm so speechless. I don't know how to express my love for you and your contribution in my life. Papa, for all of those times that I've left it unsaid, I just want to say thank you. Thank you for always being there for me, for supporting me, for being patient with me, even when I made it difficult for you. Thank you for giving me that comfort of knowing that I can always run to you whenever I needed it. And above all, you've taught me how to take on the world like a queen. You've gone above and beyond to support me and celebrate important times in my life. So on your birthday, I just want to wish you lots of love, happiness, and and smiles. And thank you for always bringing the smile on my face.
बार बार दिन ये आए, बार बार दिल ये गाए, तुम जियो हजारों साल, ये मेरी है आरज़ू। हैप्पी बर्थडे टू यू, हैप्पी बर्थडे टू यू, हैप्पी बर्थडे टू शौनक भाई, हैप्पी बर्थडे टू यू, लव यू।
Hi uncle, happy birthday. Have a great day and a wonderful year ahead. Lots of love.
Hey Shauna, wishing you a very happy birthday. Wishing you every joy, happiness and the greatest of success in the years to come, not only this year. Cheers buddy.
Happy birthday शौनक अंकल। गंदा रजनी खाते रहो, लेपिल जैक पीते रहो और पत्ता भी खेलो
और दूधो ना पूतो पलो।
Birthday, Shaunak. A very happy birthday. We love you. God bless you. Lots of
We miss you, Shaunak.
We really miss you, man.
We love you. And you know what, Shawnee? You know what, Shawnee? I've got a surprise package for you. Come, sweetie.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, guy.
Happy birthday, Sean.
Cheers to you.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday dear Sean uncle.
हैप्पी बर्थडे शॉन भाई। कमाल है ना यार, साथ में बैठ के कुछ करते हुए तो ड्रिंक पीते हुए विश करना और ये वीडियो पे करना अजीब लग रहा है यार। So Ninad called me up and said that you can say a few words or any memory about you. And trust me, we have spent so much of time together over the last 3 decades. But one memory that always is, I always remember it, is जब तू और मैं बड़ौदा जा रहे थे ट्रेन में और मेरे डैड ने मेरे को सिगरेट पीते हुए पकड़ लिया था। Shit, I still remember every scene, every moment of that. Unbelievable. भाई, wish you a very happy birthday once again. And ये लॉकडाउन के बाद बॉटम्स अप तो बनता है यार। Take care. Have a nice day.
Happy birthday, Shaunak uncle.
Have a good day.
Have a nice day.
Enjoy.
Enjoy.
Happy birthday. Happy birthday.
Hi Sean.
मेरा नाम है प्रेम चोपड़ा। प्रेम भाई, oh sorry, शौनक भाई। Many happy returns of the day.
Wishing you many happy returns of the day. Happy birthday Sean.
Happy birthday. God bless you.
God bless you. Stay safe and stay healthy.
Hi, Shaunak. Wish you many happy returns of the day.
Though we are not there with you, but via this video, virtually with you, wish you once again many happy returns of the day.
Enjoy your day and we miss you. We will be there with you when we are in India. Enjoy your day. Thank you very much. Bye.
Happy birthday to you, Shaunak. Happy birthday to you, Shaunak. Happy birthday to dear Shaunak. Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday, brother.
Shaunak.
Love you. Have an awesome day. Bye.
Have an awesome year ahead.
Hi Sean. Wish you many happy returns of the day. जन्म दिवस ની હાર્દિક શુભેચ્છા. God bless you. We'll party after lockdown. Bye.
Hi Shaunak, wish you many happy returns of the day, darling. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Shaunak. Happy birthday to you. God bless you. Many more to come. We'll celebrate this birthday again at the end of the year. Good luck.
Hi Shaunak. Happy birthday.
Many happy returns of the day and many more to come. Let's party hard, okay, after the lockdown.
Yeah, you have a great year ahead and let's hope we meet really soon. Okay? Cheers bro. Bye.
જાય છે ને આવે છે સોનક બની બર્થડે રે હેપી બર્થડે ટુ યુ
Happy birthday.
હેપી બર્થડે
तू है मेरा दोस्त सबसे प्यारा,
मुबारक हो तुझे तेरा जन्मदिन यारा. Happy birthday.
Hi Shaunak, wishing you a very happy birthday. Be at home and be safe. Once again, enjoy your birthday only at home with your family. Have a wonderful day. Thank you. Bye. Enjoy.
Wish you many happy returns of the day. Happy birthday, Shaunak. Enjoy. Cheers.
Hey Shaunak, happy birthday. Cheers. Have a nice evening. Bye.
Happy birthday, Sean. Wishing you all the very best in life. Have a good one. Under lockdown, but still a good one.
Hey, hi. This message is for Shaunak, the sexiest man in Mumbai. Hello there. Listen, very happy birthday from one locked down country to another.
Hey, Shaunak, gorgeous man. Happy birthday.
Bye for now and see you when we see you.
Bye bye. Love you.
Happy birthday and bye.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Shaunak. Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday to you. Enjoy your drink. From Jesse Krishna, goodbye and good night.
Summing up that charming character is injustice. All I want to say to him on this special day is that he has been my anchor in life. He is that one person that I will call up even at 2 or 3 in the night, and he will be standing there at my door with full enthusiasm, all his energy and gusto.
For me, it's been quite a journey from the time when he was a strict brother to the time now when he's the doting, loving brother-in-law. Man, we've come a long way, and I can only say that it's only going to get stronger.
Happy birthday!
Happy birthday, Bhaiya!
We love you!
And wish you so much more youthfulness, and may you be the Benjamin Button of this family always.
Hey bhai, wish you very happy birthday.
Happy birthday, bhai. Sometimes you're my brother and sometimes my friend. What more can I ask? Thank you so much for showering all the warmth and blessings. Be happy always.
You are the best. Love you. Have a healthy life. Say Anya.
Happy birthday, Mama.
Hi, Shaunak bhai. You are one of my favorite people in the whole world, and you are such a star, and thank you for shining so bright for so many of us, and especially for me.
Cheers. Happy
Cheers.
birthday.
Happy birthday.
We love you.
Sean bhai,
Happy birthday
to you.
शौनक खूब खूब आशीर्वाद, फूलो फलो, खूब एंजॉय करो.
Enjoy your birthday.
Many happy returns of the day. A quarantine birthday to you.
Hey Sean and Bhaiya, wish you a very happy birthday. You have always been a source of courage and inspiration, and you have also showered us with so much love and blessings. Please keep them coming, and I hope you have a blessed year ahead. Wish you a very happy birthday once again. Bye bye.
Hi Shaunak Bhaiya, a very happy birthday. I hope you have an amazing year ahead, filled with love, laughter and joy. I hope to see you soon and party hard. Happy birthday!
Happy birthday! Thank you for always being there for us, and you are just like a father to me. Hope you enjoy this quarantine birthday. Once again, happy birthday!
समंदर नहीं तो कश्ती किस काम की, मजाक नहीं तो मस्ती किस काम की। ये जिंदगी कुर्बान है आपके लिए, अगर आप जैसे लोग ना हो तो जिंदगी किस काम की। मामू जान, I love you the most. You have always been a friend, a philosopher and a guide for me. My inspiration, my true idol. Happy birthday and have a great healthy year ahead. I love you.
Happy birthday, Mamu Jan. Wishing you many happy returns of the day. I cherish all the precious and memorable moments spent with you. Every time we meet, there is something new to learn from you. You have a great personality and you are one of the person to whom I look up to. Stay the same always. And Mamu, Walloon loves you more.
Hi Mama, happy birthday. Thank you for being such an amazing fatherly figure that you are. And thank you for protecting us always. Whenever you're around, it always feels like it's party time. Stay the same jolly person always. Love you loads.
Happy birthday, Shonak Mama. I can't wait until this quarantine is over and we get to meet you again. Lots of love. Missing you very much. Hope to see you very soon. Have a great day.
Hi Shaunak Fua. Oops, one sec. Yeah, proper now. So putting a bindi is just one of those very small and very few advices that you have given me in my life. But I have always followed those advices and I think that they have made my life a lot better. So you have always stayed true to the term guardian angel that I have given you. You have always been so respectful and supportive towards my parents also. They also send their wishes to you today. I wish you a very happy birthday and I hope you have an amazing day surrounded by lots of love from your family here in India and across the globe. And I just hope Deepafai makes your day really special and lots of love.
कई केक जो ये रहे हो
Brown.
ओके
Light brown. Happy birthday, Dada. Happy birthday, Shonak Bhaiya.
Hello. I think this photo sums up all our emotions. You being a father, friend, brother, and whatnot. The one who we know will always have our back. Thank you so much. And we pray that all your prayers and wishes always come true. Thank you and a very happy birthday to you, Bhaiya.
Hi Shonak uncle, happy birthday. Have a great birthday. I know in this lockdown it's really difficult, but I'm sure once the lockdown lifts up, all of us will enjoy together, blast together, drink together. Happy birthday.
Hello, happy birthday. I know it's kind of boring to celebrate a birthday like this, but I hope you have fun and I hope you're doing good. Also, thanks for being so welcoming and always having my back. I will come see you soon. But happy birthday.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear sir. Happy birthday to you. Yay!
Many happy returns of the day, Shonak uncle. And here's a song for you. बार बार दिन ये आए, बार बार दिल ये गाए, तुम जियो हजारों साल, ये मेरी है आरज़ू. Happy birthday to you, happy birthday to you, happy birthday to you, sir. Happy birthday to you, happy birthday to you, sir.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you, sir. Happy birthday to you.
Hello sir. Happy birthday sir. Many happy returns of the day.
साल भर में सबसे प्यारा होता है एक दिन, 100 दुआएं दे रहा दिल तुमको आज के दिन. I wish you happy birthday, happy birthday.
जय गुरुदेव भैया जी. हमारे तरफ से, हमारे पूरा परिवार के तरफ से आपको ढेर सारा शुभकामनाएं, जन्मदिन मुबारक।
मैं अपने सर के बारे में कुछ कहना चाहता हूँ। हमारे सर बहुत ही नेक इंसान हैं, अपने हर वर्कर को अपना परिवार समझते हैं और इस लॉकडाउन में हमारे मुसीबत में साथ हैं। हम अपने सर की जितना प्रशंसा करूं कम है। हैप्पी बर्थडे सर।
Hello Shaunak. Today I'm going to wish you a very happy birthday, but in a very different way. I think it's a guessing game. You have to guess.
First question in the gibberish is Ye art mahi su par tars. You are my superstar.
The second one, the most common used phrase, now and then. Guess it?
The second one. Cake, yum, nest, love, all. Cake, yum, nest, love, all. Ekdam next level.
The third one, what do you feel about us?
You out one. You are one. We are one.
The fourth one, what I feel about you.
My free and file is so far and guide up. My friend, philosopher and guide.
The fifth one, favorite song.
A song. Not thin Goa, na chuck and gay may slow fall ya. And the last one, very easy to guess on this day, and that is hippie birth date dialing. You're right. So happy birthday, darling. Love you. Bye.
ऋत्विक फुआ, ये रेंडर ही नहीं हो रहा है, कब से मैं ट्राई कर रहा हूँ। 12 बजने आ गए, अभी मैं क्या करूँ? अच्छा ठीक है, व्हाटएवर करता हूँ, कुछ करता हूँ। ठीक है हूँ तो हजू सुधी एडिट ज करूँ छूँ। एनीवेज हैप्पी बर्थडे।